Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, Saint Roque? Roch? Anyways, he has different names in different languages, but the Portuguese is spelled like this. And but he's kind of known. He was born in Montpellier, France, but I also saw another reference where he was born in Mallorca, Spain, and he died in Italy. So he definitely got around the Latin-speaking world. And he's around during the 1300s, 1400s. So I guess he was around during the plague, which a lot of people died in the plague. And let me see, let's get some pure information about him. So, okay, they invoked him if there's disease, cholera, epidemics, knee problems, the plague, skin diseases, the patron of bachelors, diseased cattle, falsely accused people, invalids. So it sounds like he's just an all-around good guy who just really likes to help out people. Got lots of images of him behind me, so you can kind of see. And there's a street named after him, and he's lots of references to him in art. But yeah, he's predominantly around the Black Plague. I don't know his connection with Macau or Portugal. I would love to know. But anyways, he's in this kind of Catholic area of a area with a lot of saint names: Saint Lazarus, Saint Miguel, São Miguel, São Lázaro, some other Portuguese guys, Eduardo Marques, I believe. Anyways, there's a bunch of them that are Catholic, and the last one was a governor, but very Portuguese and very saint-like, I guess is the best way to say it. So anyways, this street is named after him, Saint Roque, and it's right here in Saint Lazarus, and I know you just want to get into it, despite how cool his images are and the images that you've had of the street. Let's get into that. Saint Roque Street in Macau. Pew. Okay, so this street right here is called Saint Roque Street, São Roque, and then that's Saint Miguel, and this is Saint Lazarus down that way. This is Pozos down that way. So basically what we have right here is a ton of saint names, and we're in the Saint Lazarus district, and we're going to be walking down Saint Roque. So it has a lot of Portuguese relevance. I'm going to talk about all that as well. We also have some patios over here that are up in the hills a little bit. I'm just showing you that they're here, but we're not going to explore those today, but we will explore those another day. And there's more patios up that way as well. So okay, so that's Saint Miguel right there, and then this one right here is Saint Roque, and then way down there is Brandão, and across the street is São Januário, another saint. There's a, you kind of have to go down and all the way up over there. This is a big church, so lots of Catholic stuff, references in this area. Okay, so let's go check out São Roque. Okay, São Roque. Saint Roque. Actually, I don't know how you would say that exactly. Saint Roque. I don't know how you would say it in Portuguese, I mean, or in English. Got a guitar shop right here. Looks like it's open. They're doing lessons, most likely. This is our Target Street. That's our sign. I think I would get another image of that sign that's easier to film. And we're gonna just see what's on the street for you. Sika Altane. It's like a barber shop, I think. And this one looks kind of cool. Let me see what this is. This one looks like it's let me just see. This is actually a restaurant. So they got caviar, scallops, herb oil. So it actually looks like a kind of a nice restaurant. But we're gonna keep on walking down. Barber shop, and then we got a few that are closed right here. So we got at least a few that are closed on this side and on both sides. But we got some nice architecture though. Then we have this one right here that looks like it's closed once upon a time. Seoul. There's a reference to Seoul right there. Seoul, Korea. Okay. So we're gonna be walking, here's a Dream, which I think this is a cafe. Desserts, maybe. I can't see into it well enough. Chinese medicine on the right, that's closed. Barbershop. Okay, so this is the new location of the Macau Barbershop. They service a lot of the expat community. I'm going to be getting my haircut there later. I kind of change around and get different places, but I'm going to go there today. The Wall Tattoo. And there's a vintage shop over to the right as well. Let me just kind of walk over that direction in a minute. Vintage shop. Looks like some kind of cool stuff in there. And dials. Okay. The lights are just coming on too, so it's kind of a nice time to walk around. I think the next block we get more into the Sal Lazaro area, St. Lazarus, and you're probably going to see some art shops. Looks kind of cool. This window right here looks super cool. This whole space. So let me kind of come around like that. We recycle fashion, so I think that's actually another vintage shop. So I think there's a vintage shop right there, and then also that yellow one down that way as well. And then you can also see our sign as well. So this is Roque,聖祿Street. So pretty cool. And then now we start to get more of these St. Lazarus buildings as well. And you got some nice rooftop stuff up that way as well. So all those buildings with nice balconies everywhere. And I'm got a car coming, so I'm just going to do a little bit of a 360 here. Yeah, that looks pretty cool with that vintage shop. And then check out some of these apartments up at the top there. So all these ones, like that one has a nice corner windows ones. Both of those do. It's amazing. Okay, there's some pretty cool stuff in this St. Lazarus area, St. Lazarus district. So we're St. Roque, and then these buildings, I don't know the stories of these buildings, but here's a Three Sardinias restaurant and bar, and it's a lot of I think it's Portuguese owned, and I've been in there a few times and it's really nice. Okay, so I just lost my battery. I think it's, there's the owner, I believe. Portuguese Tavern. This looks like a really cool little space. So, but I'm going to keep on going. I want to explore more of the street, show you all the different stuff that's around it. This is kind of rare. I don't really see these doors open, because there's a door like there, right? And then this one's actually open. It's like a small little beauty salon space. So maybe some of these other doors open like that too. And then these two right there are closed, but this one looks like there's somebody living up there. So we kind of got a mix of. And then this one's kind of interesting because you have this style here, but then you got this building right here. It's all the way up like that. I don't know what happened with that. Yeah, that's really colorful. This street is a very photogenic street, as you can see. Got a rooftop up there. You can see that up at the top. Then another tall building that's a little bit out of place as well, but not totally out of place. It looks like it kind of belongs. This is actually Gelato Bakery, ice cream and bakery, Bricolage. And you have that upstairs part too. So it's kind of some stuff going on for Santa. Let me just kind of go around this way because the lighting is like kind of cool right there. Like that right there is a beautiful photographic shot. Okay, so we're gonna keep on. We're gonna go all the way down at the end of聖祿. And then our sign is right here. So they say聖祿. Now you can kind of see how this looks like that. And then this is also this little Lazarus district. So all of this is Salazaro, St. Lazarus. And it goes all the way down this way towards Gia Hill. And that's our Target Street right that way. And then if you go up this way, it goes all the way to Kyunggu Hospital and also up to the fortress. And Sao Paulo ruins would be like way up in that area as well. But our Target Street right here is聖Roque. And that's it right there. So we're going to come a little bit closer and then we're going to end our video. So let's walk back. And there we go. St. Lazarus Street. Very beautiful. Very photogenic.
Yeah.